Hello guys, welcome back to Lan App. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you Vital's Shopify app tutorial for beginners. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, you might be wondering, how do you get started with using Vitals here? How do you install it on Shopify? Well, the first thing you want to do here is you want to go to shopify.com, and in shopify.com, you want to go ahead and log in. Now, once you've logged in, we need to go to our settings at the bottom left. And from here, you want to go to Apps and Sales Channel. Now, and here what we need to do next is we need to click on Shopify App Store at the top right. And from here, you want to go to Search Apps and Guides and more. And from here, you want to type in Vitals. Now from here, you should be able to see a bunch of apps. So let's go and choose the Vitals Reviews and Bundles. So the great thing about Vitals here is they offer different features for your account, which is something really awesome, especially if you want to add reviews, bundles, and a lot more. So basically, it adds a bunch of functionalities in your, in this case, website. But the thing here is they actually work on a subscription base. So you need to pay around $29.99 per month. But you could try them for free. So a free trial is available for you to use. So in this case, let's go and click on install here. And from here, what we need to do is we just need to confirm the actual installation. Let's go and click on install at the bottom right here. And from here, let's just wait for it to fully install. Now in here, you should be able to see your in this case, your subscription. Now in this case, you could try this for 20 days for free. But in this case, after that, you need to pay around the following amount here. So if you want to proceed, just click on the approve button that you see here. Now, just to give you some idea on what the Vitals actually has to offer for us, this is a sample website that actually Vitals that actually offers. So this is a sample website or demo site or Shopify demo website that you can view here. So you can actually add a countdown timer on the Vitals app. You could also add a size chart, a volume discounts app, and also a wish list app here. You can also add the Trust, Seals, and Badges app here, shipping information app, and some description app here from Vitals itself. Now there's going to be a lot of, you can add here like product bundles app and the related products app section. So basically Vitals is an all-in-one app. So all in the price of $29.99, you can basically get all of the apps that you see here. So once you approve the free trial here, you want to go ahead and click on Add Vitals to My Store. And from here, what we need to do is we just need to allow Vitals to be enabled on our store. So this is the most important one. So in this case, look for Vitals at the top left here, enable this, click on Save at the top right. And once you've done that, you want to go ahead and go back here. And as you can see, we can now actually access the different menus here. Now, in this case, we could go ahead and go to apps here and basically add the app that you want to use. So, for example, if you want to use product reviews, you go and click on product reviews here. And from here, you could go ahead and do the following options, which in this case, you can import reviews, customize the appearance and settings here, and even change position on the page. In this case, you want to go and click on Go to Team Editor here. And from here, you want to go ahead and start adding your review section. So this might be different every time. So you might want to go to your products, go to the products here. And from here, let's go ahead and add a section. So I want to go to apps here, and you can just basically add your reviews. So in this case, maybe you want to add a review badge here. All of the other apps that we've enabled here. So if you want to add them specifically in here, you can go ahead and do that. So for example, let's go ahead and add our Ali all reviews badge. So let's go ahead and add this one. It's just going to be added here. As you can see, if you click on it, you have the option to still manage the actual app, as you can see right now. So yeah, so let's go ahead and go back here. By the way, if you want to save your changes, just click on Save at the top right. Now from here, you could also customize the appearance in your settings. Let's go ahead and click on Go to Settings here. So you could change what's the shape, the corners, the hearts, the color of the rating, and the sort here. Also have the product page layout and some of the customizations that you can see here. So yeah, so if you want to customize these specific options or elements, you can go and via this page here. Let's go ahead and go click on Save at the top right here, and we want to go ahead and go back. Now you could also add, like for example, product bundles if you want. So if you just need to click on it and just click on Create Product Bundle here to activate this. Now in this case, you want to go ahead and add any products here, your discounts, your appearance, and some reviews. So generally speaking, the Vitals app here is a straightforward app that actually allows you to add the specific apps that you want to, or you may want to use for your website. So it's an all-in-one, which is something really cool because you won't have to look for other apps that you essentially need for your Shopify store here. But yeah, so those are the basics that you need to know here for our Vitals app here, and you should be good. And that's about it. Like and subscribe to Len app. Thank you for watching.